What is Lawra Academy? Lawra Academy is an online platform for video courses, mainly helping high school students to prepare for external examinations like IGCSE, A-levels, SATs, IBs, APs, and so on. We started with a couple of courses launched on the platform and more courses to come. What are the main features of these courses? The first very important feature is the video recordings. So you have for every particular lesson a video dedicated to explain it in a very easy way that can make you go from one lesson to another. The second feature are the summary or the study notes. These study notes are downloadables, so you can download the notes and study from them, and they are ready to make you get the A-star that you are aiming for. There is no need for you to go and refer to any textbooks, any other resources, any online materials, nothing. Just download the notes, study from them, and be ready for the A-star. Another feature which is very important for this platform is the access to community groups. So once you get enrolled to a course, you will access a group where you can connect with the teacher and with other students who enrolled in this course. You can share insights, you can ask questions, you can communicate with the teachers, and the sky is the limit. A very comprehensive platform that allows you to share information and learn in a very organized way. And the other last feature is the access to quizzes and tests, all of them past papers question. Simply when you finish one lesson, you can start a quiz and the quiz will be corrected automatically from the platform. You can understand why did you answer right and why did you answer wrong automatically once you click check my answer. So you have in one place all of the resources that you need to ace your exam. Already we have published biology IGCSE course for grade 9 and for grade 10, and soon we are releasing the practical paper or the alternative to practical paper, in which you can find the explanation of all of the experiments, all of the practical work that can ensure you get the full mark in the last paper, which is paper 6 or paper 5 if you are sitting for the practical exam. So check the link in the bio, take a look at our courses, and I'll see you there. Bye.